Hey guys, it is your girl Maura, and you already know I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl for another video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and hit that bell so you don't miss anything. So, I am showing you guys some of my skin issues that I am battling with right now. Lots of dark marks, these weird breakouts. Honestly, I think it is because of this new birth control I'm on. But nonetheless, look at me, I look pitiful. Your girl is over it. So, I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing to kind of help my skin lighten up. And this is the Eminence Organic Skincare Stone Crop Gel Wash. Such an amazing face wash. I love it. And I'm just going to cleanse my face, make sure it's nice and super clean. I'm only doing one cleanse because I already washed my face earlier, and then I decided I wanted to film this video for you guys. So I'm going to be doing my at-home treatment that I do every week in effort to clear this stuff up and get back to being poppin'. So then we just remove it. I'm just removing that with some regular, it's just water. It's not hot. It's not anything, just water, okay? And now I'm taking some gauze and some alcohol because we are going to get prepped for microdermabrasion. So a couple of sprays on the gauze and then running that all over my face. This is just going to make sure I get all of the debris or whatever other residue that didn't come off when I cleansed off, and get my skin nice and dry so the microderm can go ahead and get off all those dead skin cells that need to come off and suck them right up. Now you guys can read. It's time for microdermabrasion. So that is the machine I'm using. I use it on myself and also on my clients. And now I'm just showing you guys what I do. So pretty much I go over the areas 1 to 2 times. It just depends, but it is in checkerboard motions. So across, 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 and then vertically after that. And I do this all over the face, and I'm just really making sure I'm getting the areas that I want to be lightened up, you guys. I'm working on myself, so I'm probably a little bit more heavy-handed than I would be on my clients, but I'm fine with that, you know. I'm my own insurance, so whatever. But I'm just, you know, taking that. The microderm is just going to help to get that superficial layer of skin off. It's also going to help the skin feel like, oh my gosh, we've just gone through some trauma, so let's get back to work. Let's get these fibroblasts going. Let's get these new skin cells to replace what she just suctioned off with this damn microderm machine. That's what your skin be thinking. So I'm doing this. I did my whole face. Normally it can take anywhere from like 10 to 20 minutes. It just depends on how many passes and what you're doing. And I'm just making sure I'm getting everywhere where I am experiencing this hyperpigmentation, and just anywhere where I feel like I might have some congestion. But definitely the problem areas are what I'm focusing on. And you guys, look at that. Look at that filter. See, all that dead skin needed to come off. Don't be looking like that, Mara. That is your skin, and you need to get with the program. All right, so now we are going to do the pumpkin peel. I love this. The one that I'm using is from Dermodality. It's Dermodality Skin Solutions, and it is their H2T, which means head to toe pumpkin peel. And it's a 30%, and so it just has some glycolic in there, some salicylic, a few other things, but oh yeah, it's spicy. It is spicy. So what I'm doing now, I'm just applying it all over my face in a thin layer first. With this peel, the thicker that you apply it, the more it penetrates, so I like to get it all over first. And then you guys will see me just kind of like layering it on the problem areas that I have. So you'll see me go in and apply it way more thicker, like on my forehead, under my chin, on the sides where I have those weird breakouts, like along the bottom of my chin and ear, like all of that. Oh yeah, we're piling it up on that area because I really want it to get in there and dig deep and work and begin the process, because this pumpkin peel is amazing. It actually, it promotes lightening, brightening, and tightening of the skin. So it's just such an amazing peel to do. Gives you that nice glow, but I'm all about the lightening. That's what I want. I want it stimulate new cells right now. I need a new face. And now we're going to leave that on for 10 minutes to let it do its thing. And then we take it off. So I'm just taking it off, making sure I'm getting it done thoroughly. You definitely don't want to leave any of this on because, again, it is a form of an acid and these chemicals are not playing. So we got to make sure we get it off. So now we're all off and you can see my skin already kind of has this brighter appearance to it. I was heavy-handed in certain areas, so if you see any redness, that's just my doing from the Microderm, but it also means that that peel really penetrated in that area as well, and it needed to be there. So now I'm going to take some Murad, a soothing skin and lip care. I love this stuff. It's like the best lip ointment to use, and you can also use this as a protectant for other areas. Like if you want to get a facial or a peel and you have eczema, you can put it on there just to protect that area. But now I'm taking the Eminence Wildflower Light Oil. Love this stuff. I absolutely love, oh, I love it. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, yes. Bathe me in this stuff. I love it. It is super hydrating and it's so lightweight, so I don't feel like I just doused a whole bunch of oil on my skin, you know? Like, it's very lightweight. It absorbs into the skin so nicely, and it just has super calming properties as well, especially after doing a really invasive enzyme peel like this. So I'm just working that in because it feels so good. I just, oh, yes, yes. And so next I'm taking the Dermodality Long Island Iced Tea Peel. This is 17% retinol, 17% lactic acid. And or I'm sorry, I think it's 15 and 15, but anyway, I'm taking some of that. It's basically like a strong retin-A cream. I'm mixing it with the Dermodality Moisture Soothe moisturizer to put on top of that, and this is just going to allow my skin to continue this cell renewal process simply because of that vitamin A, that retinol that is in that Long Island peel. So I'm going to wake up in the morning looking amazing after this, but this is what I do weekly just to keep my skin popping and to combat these areas. So there we go, guys. Look at me. I'm just a glowing fool now. So yes, y'all, all those areas that are inflamed now will definitely go away the next day, and they'll start to kind of like flake up or scab up and eventually fall off because that is a minor peel, the pumpkin peel. So these things have been penetrated and they will dry up. And then hopefully sooner than later, the pigmentation will begin to start lightening up. But there you go, guys. That is it. That is the video. That is how I do my weekly pumpkin peels at home. I hope you like it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell, and you already know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay.